I promise y'all, it's cold. Ooh, I can feel it. Oh, but I just wanted to say hello again from the AK Zone 4A.
GT
Yeah.
Junior, and you know I'm growing it. All right, y'all. So I did a video that I wanted to post before I posted the last video, but it wasn't the greatest quality. I needed a lapel super duper bad. I needed to use the tripod. It was a few things, but I felt like I spent my time using it. So I'm still gonna put some of that video in this one, just to let you know. So we might play here, or I might replace it. I'm gonna see how my editing can go. But I'm going to incorporate some of that video. It is not the greatest quality, but what I came here to bring you today is a video on seed starting. I'm gonna make my own seed starting mix. I'm gonna put varieties in it because I'm gonna be doing more than just seeds. I'm actually gonna up pot one of my pots. So I just wanna bring you along for that journey. All right, let's get it. Okay, so what we have here is herpes seed starting mix. So this is the base of the seed starting mix, and I'm using a pot I got from it's metal, so the hot water is not gonna warp it or release toxins or chemicals in there or anything like that. But yeah, I pour it inside here. So let's get this open. And I picked these up from Home Depot in the gardening section. It's a brick. It expands to 8 quarts in just 2 minutes. That's what it says. But yeah, this is about $3. Every time I go to Home Depot, I grab one of these. They're about $3. So I grab 4 or 5 every time. So yeah, so get this started. And I have other soil in here as well. Old soil, that's how I repurpose, and amendments and everything like that. I use chemical. Everything has a chemical, toothpaste, deodorant, everything. But you know, this is what I'm choosing to use. Oh, all my lights going out. So haha, I forgot. I got a table for this experiment. My last video, it was just so you can see exactly what I'm doing. I had to bring you up close and personal. So now we have the lapel and we have a staging station. Voila. And this is one of the, my son he's too old for it, but you know, I kept it. So this is my staging station. So ta-da, big face. Yeah, there we go. So we're gonna do it here. Back. Now that it has broken up some, go ahead and mix your Coco Coir. I don't know what this thing is called. My fault. Sometimes I don't. I have the headlamp on because the lights were off and I didn't know where my my small rake was. I don't know what this thing called, but yeah, that's why that's there. And this is for the pearl light that I'm going to be adding, because you want to put this on, in my opinion, you want to put this on so that the dust that comes off of the pearl light, you won't be inhaling all of that. So that's what I do. So I don't need the headlamp no more. I have my spatula. I mean, not spatula. I don't know what this thing is. Small fork. I don't know. No promotion. Garage blanket towel to go ahead and add some more hot water to this real quick. I'll be right back. Hot water to the rescue. So sometimes when we use plastic sometimes. So what we do is a way of recycling. We take this and put them in the dishwasher, just like you would do with a regular fork, and I use these as markers. Sometimes I use tape and put a little sticker on there. Put a little marker on there. But this one has lived out its potential, so we're gonna use that again in a few minutes.
See that dust on screen? Yeah. That's what we got, boy. Okay, the soil has cooled down now, so
I guess when I added that the tap water, it was able to cool down. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this started. Is how you make seeds. Seed starting mix. This is my method. Coco Coir. Some people add vermiculite, and I use perlite. There's no nutrients that's needed right away. Just yeah. So all right. Till the next time.